Bitcoin is still struggling to really break above that 100k level. It is still consolidating down below and we are not yet really getting that breakout above. Now, I do think that everyone is going to be wrong about Bitcoin when it is going to be reaching that 100k level. It is looking very clear that Bitcoin is about to break towards that 100k, but what happens after is really what is important. So guys, I think that everyone is wrong about this. I'm going to be telling you exactly what I think is going to be next. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into it short term. And the first thing which we can be seeing is that the charts are actually still looking healthy. They are still looking good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is of course trading at these price discovery moments. We are hitting all-time high after all-time high, but still the charts are looking very healthy. Of course, consolidating below that 100k level, which is going to be that golden price target for Bitcoin. Everyone has been waiting for that 100k level to be getting reached for over years. And right now, well, Bitcoin is looking to be doing it. Now, we are consolidating, but at the same time, liquidity is piling up on that top side, which is of course looking very good. Usually Bitcoin always tends to go towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now you can exactly be seeing that above that 100k level, all of the liquidity is sitting at this level. So yes, I think that a short squeeze towards that 100k level is going to be very likely. Also on this chart, you can clearly be seeing above that 100k level, all of the liquidity is sitting here. And yes, this does make a lot of sense because the Bitcoin funding rates are still trading at extremely low levels. Over on Binance at the neutral level 0.01%, and over on Bybit also very low. Also on these other exchanges, the funding rates are also trading at low levels, which means that majority of the market is right now actually trading short, meaning that liquidity is piling up on the top side. So more short squeezes are going to be inevitable and more pushes towards the upside are also going to be inevitable. So yeah, having a look into that 1 hour time frame, well, we are developing this new ascending triangle. A break towards the upside is going to be more likely. This is a bullish biased pattern, and if we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, we can be having a look into a price target all the way up towards 102.5k level. So that's going to be absolutely insane above that 100k level. So let's see if we can be getting this break towards the upside. Now, if we are going to be seeing a break towards the downside, in that case, we can come back down towards the 95k level. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Let's see in which direction we are going to be getting this breakout. Now, anyways, we are currently trading inside of a weekend. So yes, some more consolidation is going to be likely. Now, do keep in mind, currently we are trading in a bull market. We have seen it already. We have been creating a huge CME gap right over here. And Bitcoin has just been ignoring it because, yeah, we are trading in a bull market. So yes, because we are right now trading in a weekend does not necessarily have to mean we cannot see any pumps. But of course, historically speaking, it is going to be more likely that we are just going to be consolidating at around this level. Now, anyways, definitely Bitcoin is going parabolic. The momentum towards the upside is absolutely unstoppable. I have some insane charts to show you because history is exactly being repeated. But first of all, also from this chart, also history is being repeated. Bitcoin is yet again creating another rising wedge pattern, but we have been creating many rising patterns already in the past over here, and all of these rising wedges have always been breaking out towards the upside. So yeah, do not get fooled by this rising wedge being created once again. I think that it is once again going to be very likely that this one is going to be breaking out towards the upside. So yeah, let's see when we are eventually finally going to be breaking above that 100k level. It is going to be absolutely insane. But like we have discussed in yesterday's video, I do not think that 100k level is going to be the real level of resistance. I think the real level of resistance is going to be coming in at the 110k level. If we're going to be having a look into what's history, well, these Fibonacci levels of resistance have shown a lot of significance in the past, and the next level is going to be coming in at the 110k level, the 4.618. So yeah, I think that this is going to be the real level of resistance we need to be having a look in towards, and not that 100k level that everyone seems to be talking about. Now, a fun fact is actually that Bitcoin has already reached above that 100k level. It has already hit 100k and 170 US dollars. So yeah, that is quite an interesting and fun fact in my opinion. And that is also maybe exactly the reason why Bitcoin is trying hard to be breaking above it, but on the CME futures chart, still we are getting sold off. But anyways, Bitcoin history is exactly repeating. Of course, this fractal from the last cycle is being repeated, breaking above that previous all-time high, then repeating this fractal over here, and then seeing more continuation towards the upside. And we are seeing the same exact fractal being repeated right now. Of course, breaking above that previous all-time high, getting this fractal, then seeing another push towards the upside. So yeah, history is exactly being repeated, but also have a look into this chart. This is very interesting in my opinion, and nobody is talking about this fact just yet. Because always after Thanksgiving, well, the Bitcoin price tends to go exponentially towards the upside, historically speaking. And another Thanksgiving is going to be coming in at the 28th of November this year. So let's see if history is going to be repeating again. Usually how it goes is, well, family comes together at Thanksgiving, everyone seems to be talking about Bitcoin, and then, well, family members also tend to be buying even more Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin price explodes even higher. So yeah, let's see if that is going to be happening once again. And because retail is right now coming in, I do think it is going to be very likely that this is going to be happening once again. Now, one thing to do keep in mind is that around this date, around Thanksgiving, we do tend to consolidate, but after Thanksgiving, that's going to be the moment when we pump towards the upside. So let's see, maybe we can be seeing a larger consolidation right now as well during the date of Thanksgiving, but then after Thanksgiving, then see this significant pump towards the upside. But anyways, yes, history is exactly being repeated right now. The golden cross flashing, there's of course this MACD signal also flashing. We are breaking into a price discovery, and like I've said many times, this momentum towards the upside is just unstoppable. We still have many price targets sitting above us, and yes, there's literally no resistance above us, only these levels of resistance over here, that 100k level and 110k level. But besides these levels, well, the sky is literally the limit. Now anyways, we are getting a lot of greed once again in the market, but these tend to be exactly the times where Bitcoin goes the most parabolic. Also, another interesting fun fact is that DEX Screener has reached the #1 spot in the financial apps on the App Store. So yeah, retail is coming in, but retail is coming into meme coins. So this is actually a very interesting fact in my opinion. We are seeing a lot of meme coin volume once again, but like I've shared exactly in this post over here, I do not think that this is going to be necessarily marking the top, but rather going to be suggesting that retail inflow is going to be coming in and is going to be marking that parabolic stage for Bitcoin. So yeah, right now we are reaching that parabolic stage. We are about to be reaching that 100k level. Liquidity is looking very good. We are about to see a massive breakout anytime soon. So guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane new bonuses. You can be trading Bitcoin and altcoins with no KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading Bitcoin and altcoins. So make sure to be checking it out with that first link down below. Anyways, guys, the cycle is exactly being repeated. Of course, the orange dot has arrived right now. So red, purple, blue, navy, and black is going to be coming next. Literally, the parabolic stage is going to be coming next. So yes, let's see. I think it is going to be absolutely amazing. On top of that, well, more USDT is being printed. Of course, very bullish for the Bitcoin market. The more liquidity comes in towards crypto, the higher Bitcoin will go. And of course, the higher altcoins will eventually go. Spot Bitcoin ETF inflows are still looking very good. The DXY actually breaking towards the upside. Let's see if maybe this is going to be a deviation. That would be very bullish. We need to be seeing the DXY actually pushing towards the downside in order for Bitcoin to really go parabolic. So let's see what is going to be happening next with the DXY. The USDT dominance is actually breaking towards the downside. So this is once again a very bullish signal for Bitcoin and crypto in general. We are reaching that parabolic stage on the Bitcoin RSI indicator on that 2-week time frame. So looking very good. I think that Ethereum is about to bottom out anytime soon in December. Of course, historically speaking, Ethereum has been bottoming out in the month of December many times in the past. Ethereum, the chart is actually looking very good in my opinion, and usually Q4 is the best quarter for Bitcoin, but Q1 is the best quarter for Ethereum. So we are ahead of the curve. I think Q1 is going to be insane for Ethereum. I am going to be accumulating Ethereum right now. Of course, altcoin season is around the corner. About 1 month after the US elections, always altcoin season tends to be starting. So anyways, way more. So yeah, so much more is about to come. So guys, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.